Good morning, everyone. This is me again here in the Islands of Santorini. And for now, we will be doing all the quick shots for drone DJI Air 2S. So what are these quick shots? Quick shots involve number one, rocket, meaning going up straight, perpendicular to the Earth's surface. Number two is circle, quick shot circle. And number three, the final one, is my favorite, the DJI Air 2S quick shots asteroid. See, this the motion of the drone is going perpendicular upward, so perpendicular to the Earth's surface, and the reference point is me because I was the reference point. So that's the quick shot rocket. The next one is quick shots circle. So it goes circular motion. It starts in front of me as a reference point, and then it moves circular and then goes back in front of me. And I hope there is no barrier, but see the drone moves from circular motion clockwise and goes back to me. So this is also applicable for helix. And eventually this is the quick shots asteroid. See, it's going back and then it will move a little bit circular and capturing the Earth's surface using me as a reference point. See, yes, marvelous and very exciting. And here is another quick shots asteroid, and this is for the other location. This location is in the Red Beach. This is the southern part of the Islands of Santorini, and see, it's a different version and it captures the top view of the Earth's surface. And the other ones remaining are those point of interest, and these ones were thwarted, so it stopped because it sends another object. So I just included it here because it's wonderful and beautiful. And this one also is a marvelous and gorgeous shots. So this one, see, it goes back. It's about point of interest, but then thwarted version. It did not continue because it sends a car. So when it sends another object, then the process stops. And this one, the last one, is the asteroid again. See, it's marvelous. I love this. See you again in the next episode.